Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Naturally Stacy, and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to the spring FabFitFun unboxing. Okay, it has been a minute since I filmed because I was just rusty as heck trying to do this intro. I don't know how that happened, but today in the mail at the job, I got the FabFitFun box for spring. So if you guys want to see what is in this box and be surprised right with me, stay tuned. Okay, well, let's see. I found out yesterday. No, I found out a couple of days ago that this box was actually on the way to me. And I thought I was having it delivered here at home, and then I realized I was having it delivered to the office. But that's okay, no big deal. I had other things to bring home. Had to catch an Uber. Had way too much stuff. Ordered a lot of stuff. I don't know how this happened. It just happened and everything just came together. This is all coming together. So one of the things that I got was the spring FabFitFun box. Let me get, there we go. We're all in the picture. So I am going to go ahead and open this up so we can see what all did I receive this month? Because I don't know. I mean, this season, I don't know what I got. And I've not seen any sneaky peekies. I do that on purpose because I don't want to know. I just like to know on my own. But you guys want to know what FabFitFun is. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that is $49.99 per season. You get 4 boxes a year, one for spring, summer, fall, and winter. This happens to be this year's spring box. So let's open the box, let's see what's in it, and let's go. Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and we're going to, let's do it this way. And we are going to open said box. And here's the box right here. I see Venus Williams' face on the pamphlet that comes with the box. All right, let's go ahead. We're going to open this box up. All right, first thing in the box is the FabFitFun booklet that comes in every box. And on the front cover is one of our favorite tennis stars, Venus Williams. This booklet shows everything that's in the box. I'm not going to open the book because we're going to all be surprised together. I will only pull this book if I don't know what it is and you guys remember the last box trying to figure out the sliders. So we're not going to do that this time. All right, next thing in the box is a HelloFresh $50 gift card with a code. So maybe I'm going to try HelloFresh. I have been kind of back and forth on getting HelloFresh, partially because getting deliveries to my apartment is a bit of a chore. Like I just said earlier, I had a lot of stuff to get in, and unfortunately I had to have it delivered to my office and not to my home. But anyway, I digress. Let's break the seal. Oh, seal's broken. Let's go. All right, let's see. We got a few different things in here. Let's go with this box. This is from Giada and Giada De Laurentiis, I think is how you pronounce her name. These are a set. This is a set of measuring spoons. She is the host of Everyday Italian over on the, I think the Food Network, I believe. And this is a set of measuring spoons, which is cool. This will be a third set. I can keep a set at work for like if I have to measure some food out. So here we go. These are pretty cool. And they look like they're in, they're a set of copper. I was going to say rose gold, but copper. It's pretty much the same. The next thing we have is from Way Hair Care, and it's a leave-in conditioner, 4.7 fluid ounce bottle. Actually, I'm going to insert pictures over here of everything so you all can see it, just in case, because of all the lights and in the sunlight. We actually got a really sunny day today. So the next thing in the box we got, let's see, Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub. It's an exfoliant body scrub from Mana Kadar. That's what this is right here. And this is 520 grams or 18.34 ounces. Oh, this is going to be cool. This is a nice jar. Can't open it. but I am a sucker for a good exfoliator. I love to exfoliate, get all the yucky yuck off of my skins and stuff. Next thing we have is from Dr. Brandt's. This is Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I don't get puffy eyes. I have lines under my eyes. I don't have puffy eyes. But this actually is going to be pretty cool. It says it visibly reduces the look of under eye bags, dark circles, which I do have darkness under my eyes. I inherited that from my grandmother. That's okay. I love her. May she rest. The next thing we got in the box is looks like a water bottle. Sip by Swell. Insulated to keep drinks hot or cold. This is 15 ounces of 450 ml. And it's really cute. It has little whales on it. I've seen these bottles before and I've always thought about getting one. And now I have one. So I can keep this. I don't know if I'm going to keep it at work or not. I don't think they deserve the cool bottles. I don't know. The next thing we got in the box is from 11 by Venus. It's a jump rope. Cool. So when you want to work out at home, you have a jump rope, which I don't know if I got a jump rope in one of the past boxes, which is so cool. That's what I love about this box. You get so many different things. You get like exercise equipment, jewelry, makeup. You get a little bit of everything. So that's going to be cool to add to my collection of exercise equipment. And the next thing we have is, what is this? Let's open this up. We're going to see what it is really quick. And what is it? What is it? Oh, it's a picnic set. You have a set of plates. And you have a set of plates over here and your silverware. So you have a picnic set. So if you want to go on like a little picnic, you have plates and cutlery for so you can go on a picnic, and it comes in a really cute, stylish pouch. You can kind of like a wristlet. It's pretty cool. This is cool. I need to go on more picnics. I don't go on picnics very much, but maybe this will give me a reason to go on a picnic. And the last thing in the box before the box falls over, let's get that out the way, because the box is gonna fall over and it's gonna be hilarious. And the last thing in the box is Show Me Your Moo-Moo. Oh, it's a robe. I'm like, moo-moo, is that what I think it is? It looks like it's a robe. Let's make sure. Now we're gonna open the book. And see, but I believe this is a robe. Yes, it is a robe. If you look at right here, this one right here, that's what it's supposed to look like. So cool. I got a nice light robe for the spring and summertime, because I normally wear very thick cotton jersey plush robes. I love those because I like to wrap up because I'm always cold. So this is going to be a nice addition to my wardrobe. And that's it. That's everything in the box. We have the empty box. Let's throw that down. We got the empty box right here. We are all done. We went through that pretty quickly. Normally, I gotta go through a bunch of stuff, but we got a pretty nice amount of stuff here. Got a picnic set. We got an exfoliator, stuff for your eyes. Got a leave-in conditioner here. We got some measuring spoons. We got a thermos cup. We good. We are good. We're gonna be good to go for the spring season. So if you guys have any questions about FabFitFun, talk to me below. I also have a code for FabFitFun in the description box too. So if you guys ever want to get a box from FabFitFun, you could get $10 off if you use my code below. And you can get, I think it's like $10 off you get with that. And it's cool. You can cancel at any time. You don't have to get them all the time. And they only come 4 times a month, and you only get billed 4 times. 4 times a year, and you only get billed 4 times a year. So like I said, if you have any questions, talk to me below. You saw all of my social medias at the beginning. And that is it. I'm gonna go and take off this makeup, do some homework, find something to eat, and just have a good day. All right, I'm out of here. Talk to you later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.